I'm Dr. Mohan K. Shenoy. I am a consultant endocrinologist and diabetes specialist. I am working in Sri Gokula Medical College and GG Hospital, Trivandrum, Kerala. So greetings from my side. On 12th of November, I will be presenting a topic related to social media apps and the pros and cons. So this topic is really unique in the sense that this has been focused on digital media and diabetes care. So you know that there are 5 pillars in this digital era. One is strategy. The second one is planning and publishing. That too authentic information. Then going on to getting the data from the audience. That is the listening and engagement. And the last 2 ones are basically for the analyzing and reporting of this data collected. Ultimately, publishing and advertising this data. So all these things have to be done in a very scrupulous manner and foolproof way. So which is why this topic presents a unique challenge and why we have utilized this opportunity in the present times. So coming to social media, the social media was actually started in the way back in 1990s, but it caught up slowly once the boom of the digital era, internet, various mails, and you know that nowadays we have got 3 main players, mainly the Google, Facebook, and allied research teams. So all these have got focused apps and focused digital technology. So why these technology have to be utilized by our medical professionals is really thing we have to understand. The pro points regarding this topic is that it is extensively used, it is easy to access, and it is available across the continents and even in the remote areas. So ease of opportunity to capture the audience interest, the potential to engage them, and to reach out to the popular clients, and also advertising our own skills. So knowing this information in social media is very important for each and every person, not only doctors. So understanding technology barriers is also as important as this. So which is why the cons of this also are very unique as well. So what are the cons or the drawbacks? The firstly is excessive screen time and immobilization. We know lockdown helped us in many ways, but ultimately the people got obese and finally they had a loss of work-life balance. So impact on the privacy, the sleep, the mental peace, and ultimately the family life. So these are the things which you always consider when going for this technology. What I would suggest is we have to be mindful and eager to capture our own wavelength and understand and adapt to this. So how we can utilize this technology and properly for our patients' benefit is what we have to be doing in the upcoming times. So ultimately, this is an opportunity for all of us to benefit. And in my 10 minutes, 10 slides topic, I will be taking you through the various aspects, the studies and literature which has been published in this new field related to diabetes care. So my dear friends, do log into my topic and appropriately message will be shown in your own various. So I thank the RSSDI, the organizers of this 49th annual summit. And this is a unique way in which we can all interact. It's done digitally. So this itself shows you the power of social media assist. So this RSSDI TV is a joint venture. I hope this will be very useful for the audience and all the faculty. Thank you. Namaste.